Oh god dang it! The Teddy got eliminated! Let's not contribute to this challenge. What do you mean challenge? We have to do the intro first. Alright. I'm so lazy that I could eat a Big Mac. Anyways, guys, did you just interrupt me? No. How come there's a live vlog? He's coming right now. What do you mean? What a live vlog. Hi guys. I'm a live vlog. Stop flipping. I don't like you. Come over here. Hey wait, that's my friend. My friends are gonna kill you. Hey, no! My friends are going to kill you. Yeah, we're all going to destroy you! Why are you guys backing up? What's wrong? I hate you guys. Anyways. Oh crap! Help me! Help me! Hello! Stop! Stop! Get away from me! Yay. Okay, I guess. Ow! Owie! Guys, these live blocks are gonna kill me. Oh god dang, are you okay, newbie? What? He doesn't have his head! Oh god dang it, he got squished. I'm so sorry. It's a pleasure. I'm gonna put you in the van. Any motions? Oh. Have you ever wondered why a human is gray? It's because he was an old known playground character. Wait, what? From 1.0. Wait, how do you know that? This kid wasn't even born back then. Wait, what do you mean? He is the number after shush. We're not revealing age. That's not what we do around here. I'm going to kill you now. Ah, get off! I'm going to kill you, you freaky block. Wait, what? No! I turned golden. It's so beautiful. Help me! I'm gonna freaking die. God dang! Guys, run away! Run away! They're gonna squish us. That's what I thought. No, you better run away! God dang! He got freaking killed. Do you like my hat? Of course I do. It's amazing. Thanks. The reaction goes well. This is the actual book. Okay, guys, I actually saved this leprechaun hat. And now I got it forever. I got this leprechaun hat forever now. Goodbye. Guys, what do you think the challenge is? Oh, I think the challenge is included with these blocks. Maybe that's why they're here? Yeah, maybe. As always, this thing should pause and reveal the host. Of course I am. But are you guys thirsty for more? Oh, heck yes. I want the BFTHM right now. Yeah. You're not even looking. You too. Shut up. Did you just say shut up to me? No, I wasn't talking to you. Liar, pants. The host is liar, pants on fire. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Get out of here, you stupid liar. It's qualified for today's challenge and up for elimination already. That's not fair, remember? Okay, fine, god dang it. Ugh. No, guys. Okay, why is the other 6 dead? What do you mean other 6? Don't you mean other 3? Yeah. Hey, look, I must while saying that. Okay, don't you mean other 3? Yeah. Okay. What happened to the final? Yes, CFC. What's CFC? Nothing. He doesn't have CFC. Oh no. Ooh la la. I gotta make myself talk. Wait, what are you doing? Why are you slicing that? So I can talk. I can talk now. Okay, guys. I'm gonna connect myself. What the heck, man? What? Okay, just one. Goodbye. What's up, man? Where's your host? Oh, he accidentally killed himself. He's gonna regenerate. Wait, he killed himself? But that means battle for nothing! Shut up. I'm right here. How'd you come back? I can regenerate myself, just like Tomato said. I already knew it. He told me yesterday. Wait, just yesterday? I thought that kid was in the house. What do you mean house? His cousin's house. It was so dreadful, man. I don't know. Excuse me, what? I didn't say a question. What do you mean I don't know? I'm having a drink outside this screen. What in the skibidi toilet are you talking about? Get out of here. Ow! Today's challenge is to... Okay, why are these guys here? Get them out of here. Wait, what? Now they're gone. And you too. Corpse skin freeze. Now it's just us. Oh. But anyways, today's challenge is to defeat him. What the Sigma is that thing? Oh, it's Mr. Nail. Today's challenge is to beat him. The two who beats him first. Wait. The one that takes his gun first will be having immunity first, and the one that kills him will also have immunity. But the other four will be up for elimination. Where is the other four? Would you mean another 3-man? Oh, yeah. Well, I guess here's the other 3. Hello. What's up? Oh, man. Shut up. Okay, anyways. You guys remember the rules? We didn't hear you from heaven. Oh, crap. Wait, did I have to say that? Oh, I'm afraid so, but I don't think it's a cuss word. But anyways, can you explain the challenge to them right now? Okay. Today's challenge is to beat Mr. Killer Nail. What's up, man? I can stand up. Stop invisible editing. Now, today's challenge is to beat Mr. Killer Nail. The first 4 who dies will be up for elimination. So, Robot, you're disqualified because you meddled. What? How am I disqualified? I just explained it. You're meddled. Metal can't be shot or killed. Well, I can rust in water though. Not in this game. What do you mean game? Nothing. But you're still disqualified. You will be thrown into acid soon. Just kidding. You'll just be watching from... Okay, no, you're just gonna be deleted. Okay. Enjoy your rest from this challenge, because you meddle. Wait, what? No. But metal can't be shot. Or hurt. I can be hurt and break my bones. You don't have bones. Now goodbye. Wait, no! Okay, guys. It's just you guys, right? Yeah. What do those blocks contribute to the challenge? On to the challenge! I want to do the challenge! Okay. The two who survives him will be safe, and the other 3 will be up for elimination. 3, 2, 1, go right now. Or else. What do you mean? Are you guys ready for the challenge? Oh yeah! Okay. No. See lost words. Is this a dream of come true? All of you guys. You can't shoot metal, huh? Well, this is where you say hello to my blade launcher. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Shut up. Oh! Yes, I hit you in the sausage. You didn't hit the sausage? Wait, who are you? Hello, I'm sausage. I'm a breakfast NPC. That was a contestant. Now, let's shoot you guys. What? You can't shoot my blade launcher? Only one person needs to be killed. Only one more person needs to be killed. Okay. Melon and Corn, you're pronounced up for elimination. Yeah, because you got killed. Haha. Or what the Sigma? What if us three survives? What if? Three of you survive. Oh wait, that can be possible. Goodbye. Wait, but he's a jar ahead. Also, you guys have to defeat him once Tomato is dead. Well, if you two die, then everyone's gonna be up for elimination, and that can't happen. Now, if one of you survives, that's still good. The other person who died in the final two of the challenge, they're not up for elimination. They're just... You two survive, you're safe if you beat him. Wait, if we beat him? What if we all die? I would generate you because that can't be possible. And viewers don't even vote. So I have to vote, or yeah. Stop talking, we're doing the challenge. Bye bye! We're up for elimination? No. No, you just have to beat him now. If you both die, then that can't be possible. Haha, bye bye! My god! That can't be possible, right? Whoa, 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 whoa! Die! Oh! Die! Die! Yes! Oh! Yo! Lanza! Whoop! Now get off me! How about shoot? You stupid gun! Oh crap! Okay, so we're up for elimination. No, you two are safe. The other three, which is corn, melon, and tomato, they are not safe and are up for elimination. Well, here's something special. I and robots will vote. Wait, you guys are gonna vote? Yeah. But next challenge, the winners will vote. You and me. What? Wait, so you can vote now? Yeah, there has to be at least 2 viewers. There has to be at least 2 voters. Oh. Well, go on and vote. No, next episode. Aw, shucks. I'm gonna go now. Bye-bye. What? That's not how you go! Thank you so much for being here. This is the end.